Do you ever feel like you're doing all the right things, you're training consistently, eating fairly well, but your energy just crashes and recovery seems slower than it used to be? Once we hit our 40s, hormones and muscle recovery pathways all begin to shift. And if you're not refueling properly after exercise, your results can stall, no matter how good the workout. Hi, I'm Sonia Hollis, a qualified nutritional therapist, and in today's video, we're going to be diving into how to recover smarter, not harder. You'll learn what to eat and drink after a workout to rebuild the muscle, restore energy, and support hydration, especially if you're active in midlife. And I'll show you what a well-formulated recovery drink should contain so that you can bounce back faster without the crash. But before we dive in, please make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss any of our science-backed tips. All right, let's get started. Recovery isn't just about resting. When you exercise, whether that's resistance training, walking, cycling, or a fitness class, your muscle fibers create tiny micro tears. Your body then uses amino acids, glucose, electrolytes, and antioxidants to repair that tissue, to restore glycogen and reduce inflammation. After 40, that process naturally slows down because of lower estrogen and growth hormone activity, meaning that nutrition becomes even more important if you want to recover well and avoid fatigue or soreness. Research shows that there's a recovery window of about 30 to 60 minutes after exercise when your body is most receptive to nutrients. So waiting too long to refuel can slow down the muscle repair and glycogen replenishment, so try to eat or sip on something nourishing within that first hour. A balanced meal or shake that includes protein, carbohydrates and electrolytes work best. And if you're not quite ready for food, a recovery smoothie or shake can be just as effective. It's quick to digest and helps you bounce back faster, especially if you're training again within 24 hours. So what should that recovery meal or shake actually contain? So let's break it down into the 3 key nutrients that your body needs most after exercise. So protein, this is for the repair. Aim for around 25 to 30 grams of high quality protein after your workout. Now this supports muscle repair and helps to counteract the natural loss of lean tissue that accelerates with age. So studies show that leucine-rich proteins like whey or pea protein trigger muscle protein synthesis most effectively. So that's why a blend of fast and sustained release proteins is ideal, so keeping your amino acids circulating for longer and supporting steady recovery. Carbohydrates, so this is for refueling. Even moderate exercise can deplete glycogen, your muscles stored energy. So pairing carbohydrates with protein helps your body absorb both more efficiently and replenishes energy faster. So simple options work best. So think a banana with a protein shake, oats with Greek yogurt, or a recovery smoothie that includes fruit and fibre. And lastly, electrolytes and hydration for balance. So please don't overlook hydration. Sweating doesn't lose just water. It also flushes out sodium, potassium and magnesium, minerals that regulate muscle contraction, nerve signals and fluid balance. So if you often feel dizzy, sluggish or headachy after a workout, it might not be dehydration alone, it could be low electrolytes. So this is where adding electrolyte-rich fluids or powders to your post-workout routine can make a noticeable difference in energy and recovery. When you combine protein, carbohydrates and electrolytes within that first hour after exercise, you give your body everything it needs to repair, refuel and rehydrate efficiently. It's not about perfection, but it's about convenience and consistency. If you enjoy eating whole foods, something simple like Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of oats, or scrambled eggs on whole grain toast works brilliantly. But if you're heading out of the door, you don't have much time to cook or prefer something lighter, a nutrient balanced recovery shake can be just as effective. So that's exactly why we created the Sontania Post-Workout Recovery Blend. It's designed to provide those three essentials in one convenient formula. We've got the protein for muscle repair and maintenance, carbohydrates for glycogen replenishment, electrolytes for the hydration and mineral balance, plus collagen, creatine and key micronutrients to support joint, tendon and overall recovery as we age. And if you sweat heavily or train in hot conditions, pairing it with the Sontania hydration balance can help to replace additional electrolytes and keep energy levels stable throughout the day. Together, they make recovery simple, effective and evidence-based without needing multiple supplements or a complicated meal prep. Your recovery doesn't stop when your workout ends. That's when the real progress happens. So by giving your body the right nutrients in the right window, you can reduce post-exercise fatigue, support lean muscle maintenance and feel ready for your next session, no matter your age. So remember, refuel within 30 to 60 minutes after exercise. Include protein for repair, carbohydrates for energy and electrolytes for balance. And stay consistent. Recovery is a daily habit, not a one-off fix. If you want an all-in-one option that makes this easy, the Sontania Post-Workout Recovery Blend combines a high-quality protein mix, incremental release carbohydrates, and key nutrients such as collagen, creatine, glutamine, BCAAs, and magnesium, plus a full spectrum of vitamins and minerals for comprehensive post-exercise nourishment. It's ideal for those times when you need a quick, convenient recovery support. Now, your recovery needs are unique as you are, so listen to your body, fuel it wisely, and let nutrition do the work between your workouts. Recovery is the key to progress, not just the workout itself. So once we hit our 40s, our bodies need a bit more support to rebuild, rehydrate and recharge. But when you give it what it needs, your energy, strength and results can improve dramatically. Now, if you found this helpful, check out my video here on creatine for women over 40 next. It pairs perfectly with today's topic. And for more practical tips on recovery, protein and hydration, visit our blog here at sontaniasupplements.com. And lastly, if you'd like to support our channel and help me keep creating this content on a weekly basis, you can tap the super thanks button below. Every bit truly helps and means so much. All right, that's it for now. I hope this has helped. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.